along the way to prevent having to do anything dramatic at any time, and to continue to let light in. But on this one, you just go ahead periodically and take little things off, like this even. This takes just a little bit of height and width off. Find a little area, just take little things off like this right here. So then you're maintaining the shape. This is no more time, I don't think, than taking a hedge trimmer. You just go in, you're on the phone, whatever, you listen to a podcast, just do. There's no noise, right? It's just like very peaceful. I like the open feeling of it, actually. There's plenty of new growth in here because the sun can get in. So what you do to keep them in check is literally like just every so often go around with your hand pruners and just take pieces off. Here, if it's like going in wonky directions, here, this might require loppers. Just every so often, whenever you feel like it. And otherwise, it's pretty low maintenance because then you're not shearing and having to keep them into a tight ball. And then when something starts to poke out and it's like, oh, it's time to prune those again, just every so often go in and you can basically leave these alone. Low maintenance.